On behalf of the whole team, welcome to the factory. Follow me for an exclusive look at our operations. The process begins here with water treatment, then moves through the bottling lines, and finally to our automated packaging system. This is the heart of our operation. We're looking at over 500 feet of conveyor belts moving at high speed, 24 hours a day. The system allows us to monitor the entire process from water treatment to final packaging. Right now, mixing and carbonation are fully optimized. Purified water is the foundation of every Coca-Cola beverage.
Excellent. Another successful batch confirmed by the data.
Yes, logging the results now. Welcome to the syrup preparation room. This is where we combine the sugar from these silos with our secret ingredients in the main mixing vessel. This display shows the precise ratios of sugar, treated water, and concentrate required for the base syrup. This is the critical stage, the mixing and carbonation hall. We carefully blend the ingredients in these tanks before the carbonation process begins. Welcome to the bottling hall. As you can see, we are in full production today. Please, come on in. Welcome to the cooling section. This large plate heat exchanger is crucial. It rapidly chills the liquid before we move it to carbonation. Here is where the transformation happens. These tiny preforms move into the heating tunnel and are then stretched and pressurized into the Coca-Cola bottles you recognize. Right here is the electronic inspection gate. The sensors analyze the fill level, ensuring every Coca-Cola bottle meets our strict quality standards automatically. And this is the labeling stage. These reels spin rapidly, applying the iconic Coca-Cola labels around each bottle before they move on. Right here is where the bottles are automatically grouped by these guiding rails, preparing them for the multi-packaging stage. Finished products are stored here before being shipped to customers. Keep them tight against the bulkhead there. Got it, secure.
Manifest confirmed. All products accounted for.
Great, we can seal the load now.
Remember, PPE is mandatory on the production line. That means helmets, safety glasses, ear protection, gloves, and safety shoes for everyone.
Equipment must be fully isolated and locked before any maintenance or cleaning work can begin.
Strict hygiene is essential to keep the beverage safe and high quality. Always follow these steps before entering the production area.
Thanks to the new recovery systems, we've reduced water usage by 20% this quarter.
We collect and sort all our bottles and plastic packaging here. They are then sent to our recycling partners, which significantly helps save resources and energy. It all starts with water treatment and syrup preparation. Then, through mixing and carbonation, we move to filling and final packaging. Through strict quality control, comprehensive safety procedures, and our environmental initiatives, we ensure every bottle delivered from this factory is perfect for the consumer.
We want to thank you for joining the factory tour. We are committed to carefully making and delivering every bottle from source to shelf.